Hello lovely people and welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how to become #1 best friends into Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app, and after opening the Snapchat application, click to the chat option here. Step 2. Select the person as #1 best friend. Now you just simply have to select the person to make #1 best friend. To do that, just simply long tap to the profile of the person. After tapping there, you can see this pin the person as your #1 BFF option. You just simply have to click into that. But to do that, you have to subscribe to the Snapchat Plus. But everyone can't afford the Snapchat Plus. So there is another option to do this. If you send snaps to each other for straight 2 weeks, Snapchat will show the BFF option into your profiles. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.